The Windows key, the Shift key, and the letter S shortcut is the default snipping tool hotkey by OneNote. In simple words, it allows you to take screen clippings of full computer screen or part of it in Windows 10. However, some users have been facing a problem where the Windows Shift key hotkey is not working for them in their Windows 10 PC. But luckily, we have a possible solution to resolve that problem in this video tutorial. So first, you have to launch your Microsoft OneNote on your desktop and open the notebook you're working on. Although the old functionality is still alive, it is not invocable by keyboard shortcut, so your screenshots will only go to the clipboard. Now, as a workaround, what you can do is directly take screen clippings by enabling them on your taskbar. You can do that by going to your system tray on the taskbar, then click this symbol, and find the OneNote icon, then right-click, and then select Take Screen Clipping. Take your screenshot, and then a window would appear asking you which location you want to place your copied screen clipping. However, if this option is not visible on your system tray, you can go to the File tab and then select Options. Click on the Display option and put a check mark beside Place OneNote icon in the notification area of the taskbar option. Then select OK. And then go to your system tray to take screen clippings. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.